Hi friends, how are you today? My name's Teresa Louise and uh, welcome to my sewing room. One of these days I'll learn to talk. Let me get a drink. Sweet tea. So, I thought I better try and get a video done for you guys since it's been a while. I need to apologize for that. But I have just been busy. Isn't it like that in the summertime? Lots of quilts, lots of quilting. But I did get my Sew Sampler box, and I thought I would share that with you. So better get it done while I have a minute. Well, I hope everybody's been having a good summer. We've got a really rainy summer. But for the last 4 or 5 days, we've had some sunshine, so I'm happy about that. All right. Hand-picked. All right, we get 30% off Christmas figs Christmas figs book and Witch's Night Out. And I can't show you the promo code, but there you are. I already have the Witch's Night Out, but I've been wanting the Christmas fig, so I might order that one. Very nice. Cool. So that kind of tells me what is in the box. That's what's in the box. All right. Bye. No. That was short and sweet, huh? All right. We get a card. And we got a Rotary Blade. Yay. I'm happy to get that because I was just thinking that I needed to change my blade. Now, you guys remember, if you get this box, last year, I think it was in June or July, we got an endurance blade, and I still have that sucker in my rotary cutter, and I use it all the time. I just cannot believe how long those blades last. So anyway, this is a regular blade, and I would guess, and of course it's Fiskars. And I'm sure they fit in all rotary cutters, I hope. But anyway, I'm happy to get that. And let's see, what's this purple thing? A magnifying lens. If I can glue that to my... No. It's to put on rulers. Feels like it's got a little suction cup thing. So here's a ruler. So if you really want to pinpoint an area, like the intersection, yeah, that's pretty cool. Huh. Cool. I like that purple. I don't know if I'll use it, but I might. I'll leave it up here where I cut. Lots of allergies today. Sorry, guys. Let's see. Little bag. Little rubber thing. Soft rubber. Let's open it. Storage solutions. Macaroons. And I got a pink one. You just squeeze it. Huh. Remember that little thing of beeswax we got in the tin? I might put that in here and use the 10 for something else, because that 10 was pretty big. Oh, that's cute. Looks like a cookie. Have you seen those things on a commercial where you put it in your mouth and you bite down on it and it's supposed to tighten your jaws? Huh. Might work, hey. All right, what else we got here? Oh, we got our fabric. And we got, oh, this is a fig tree, which I'm happy to get. And we got a pattern. Cool. I like that pattern. Very nice. I might save this fabric though for the Witch's Night Out book, because I've been collecting fabric for that. And then of course we got the block of the week. Put that there. Or of the month. It's interesting. Really different. And that called The Greatest Hits Album Quilt is what the block of the month is all about. And let's open this fabric. Sealed in plastic. And this is All Hallows Eve, Fig Tree and Company. Show you the tag first. There she is. And it must be a Fat Quarter exclusive where they pick them, because it has their label on it. Or ribbon. I'm not doing too good on talking today. Sorry about that. Here's a green one. It's pretty. Nice and soft. Orange. There's another orange. Mostly orange here. Another orange. Like that one. So we've got all orange and one green. We got 5 of them. 5 fat quarters. Oh, I'm always happy to get 5 fat quarters for sure. So let's see what those values were, shall we? Do some math. Make sure I keep everything over here. Got 3 notions and fabric and 2 patterns. Well, one's just a block. Okay, the fabric was $14.48. $14.48. I'm just going to round that up to 15. The Rotary Blade was $6.98. The little magnifying thing, $8.98. I think that's too much. The little macarons, $3 or $2.98. And then the blade, did I say the blade yet? $6.98. The pattern was $9.98 and the block is $4.98. All right, so 15, 7, 9, 3, $34 just in the product. And then if you add the, can that be right? 15, 7, Yeah, $34. And then if you add the patterns, is $49. So that is a low value month, I would have to say. Did I say it was 34 before the pattern? Okay, so I am paying more now since they have to start collecting tax. So I think I'm paying 31 something, almost $32 now for this box. Oh. So that means I got $17 worth of free product, which is pretty close to just the patterns. So yeah, that's a bummer. I think they should have thrown in another green fat quarter, or maybe even purple. Of course, that probably wouldn't have gone with the pattern. Yeah, you could have made the flying geese in the purple, like purple fabric. That would have been cute. Anyway, low value box in my opinion. So this is going to be my last monthly box. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to something else because I don't really care for the notions that I get. So I do like this fabric. I do like that pattern. But anyway, I'm going to look for a different box. I am getting that Liberty box. I ordered that and it's on its way. So I will have one more to open for you. And I'm thinking about doing a cross stitch something. I'm not sure yet. And then I might do like fat quarter bundle monthly subscription. I'm not sure yet about that either. So anyway, what'd you guys think of the box? Did you like all this stuff? Let me know down in the comments what you thought. All right, and until next time, get out there and make something, and thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and you're welcome to share the video. None of that stuff costs you anything, right? Okay, until next time, great to see you. Bye for now.